It's your girl Crownblasian. I just got out of work. It's literally 2:30 in the morning. I kind of just wanted to catch you guys up. As of right now, I am back to work. The world is sort of opening back up in New York State, so that is why I've been lacking on content. I'm really sorry, guys. On top of that, Verizon is kind of screwing me on the Wi-Fi here. Like, I don't know. I don't have Fios because I live in the hood. I guess that they try to tell me that Fios is only available in certain areas. And when they started listing off the areas, it was... Anyways, those are two reasons why I'm slacking on my YouTube, but trust me, I have not forgotten about you guys. Makeup is still my heart. It's just that I'm still getting used to working late hours and getting up to do things in the house, obviously, and I just gotta work out a balance between beauty and work. For now, I did want to get on here and test out some things from this base box for July. It's probably the end of July when you're watching this. You know, I got my box late, blah, blah, blah. So in this month's box, I got a loose pigment. It's called Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow from Hourglass. And I did already wear it. I wore it the other day because I was going to originally come home and film a look with that because I already did the eyes for work. But y'all, I got tore up at work. If you don't know, I'm a waitress. And before you fix your mouth to say, get a new job or that's your fault you picked waitressing, there's a lot I could say there. But that's for a different video. Anyways, I'm going to swatch this for you guys to see. And you know, when I like to swatch, I like to put on a base. So on the back of my head, hold on. I have to wash my hands. Okay, sorry. You know, my hands, I've washed them like 30 times since I got out of work, but I wanted to make sure because I was touching my car keys and all that stuff. Anyway, so I did put a base on while we were off camera. And I'm going to swatch this Hourglass... But what was it called again? Shattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. And the shade is called Rapture. Now, it was really pretty. If I did take any selfies that day, I'll insert the pictures. Let me take a brush and apply it. Because it is like, it's a loose pigment, but it's kind of moist, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's it right there. It is a mauve with like gold shimmer in it. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. And by the way, I got a new ring light. My friend Christy was a doll and put my name in a raffle, basically, and I won this ring light. And it's gorgeous and huge and just absolutely perfect. So that was one thing that I got. And I'm not going to try everything here because something in this box I'm actually going to give to somebody because I'm not going to use it. But the next thing is this Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise. It is a bronzer kit, and these are the shades that I got. Let me take that off. Okay, these are the shades that I got, and sorry, I was trying to see if these shades have names or anything like that, but they do not. So I'm just gonna take another brush and test it out for you guys. I'm sorry. Let me backtrack real fast before I do this bronzer swatch. This box did come with a card. I don't know if you watched yesterday's video. It didn't come with a card. So the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow was $29, which is a single little thing. I don't like single eyeshadows because I feel like as a makeup artist or as a person who travels a lot, it is hard to pack up. But for my birthday, I did receive 2 cute makeup trolleys. I am very grateful for my friends. They are the bomb. And this bronzer palette is it not on here? Y'all, it's not on here. Oh, I lied. It's a $30 bronzer palette. And let's see. So this is the lightest shade. And it's going to look like this. That's like my actual skin color. And let me just get a little swatch. Bah. And this is the second to lightest shade. This one is a little more red. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys are going to even be able to see this. But I did want to get on here and at least do this for you guys. Because your girl is slacking. But your girl is tired. Okay? This is the next shade. This is more of my contour shade probably. It might be a little too dark. No. Yeah, that's a good contour shade. I don't know why I just said contour shade. It's a good bronzer shade. This would warm up my face if I went on it with it lightly. And last but not least, the last shade in the palette. I'll just put it right here. This might be a cute plain transition nude type of day. This one's a little warmer, but that's not too bad. So I don't know if you guys can see all the differences on there. That's how it looks. And I've had Ace Beauty before come in Boxycharm, and I believe they're a Latina owned brand. Don't quote me on that because I'm not 100% sure. I like their stuff though. Y'all, it's hot. It was so humid today. I was running around the restaurant like a chicken head. I'm telling you. Okay, and then we also I chose this. This is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and y'all know I'm working on my skin. How I look. I have nothing on right now besides my morning stuff, which is toner, my serum, moisturizer, and some acne oil or whatever oil. And this is gonna be replaced with my serum when I run out. I believe this is a serum, right? This retails for $49.95. Let me just open it and see if it is a serum. It's a super potent vitamin E brightening booster, supercharges your cream or serum. Wait, what is this? How to use. As a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied morning and evening. As a serum, apply 3 drops directly to face. So I can use it alone and I can mix it into my cream or serum. I don't like that though. I don't. So I'm going to use that alone. This is the bottle. It is a 1 fluid ounce, but it's pretty heavy. It's probably all glass. It's kind of like a cloudy texture serum. I don't know, but I'm definitely excited to see that. And obviously I'll update you guys on any skincare products that I use in a future video. It does take like about a month for me to realize any differences, and plus you guys have been telling me that my skin is clearing up. The only problem is I'm scared it's my tan and not actual clearing of acne scars. I am taking pictures, so I guess I can sit down and look at those pictures. Now, the other item I got in this box is this Nude Sticks Rock and Roller. It's one of those rolling liners, and I don't want to try it because I don't want to use it. Like, I want to put it in this giveaway, so I'm going to. It's $26, but I'll open it up for you guys to see. And this is the shade Black Moon, and it looks so weird. It looks like this. But I'm not down for that. I don't have a hard time drawing my liner, and trying new things scare me. But I tried the Glamnetic lashes that I got for my birthday. My best friends bought them for me, and I don't know if it's just me. Let me know in the comments if you guys have Glamnetic magnetic lashes or whatever. But Glamnetic specifically, do you guys have a hard time? Because that liner is trash. Sorry if you're watching Glamnetics, but it ain't for me. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway. And then this here, I'm actually going to give it to my friend Jessica. It is the Cream Shop Clean Canvas Cushion Primer. It's a green primer. I don't know how it's going to apply, and it's supposed to correct redness. Obviously, green, red. But I'm not going to open this, and I'm not going to try it out for you guys because I do want to give this to her. She is a... she's not She is a redhead. She's kind of redhead, not really. She's like a strawberry blonde. Her face does get a little bit warmer, so she gets red quite often. I think this will work well on her skin if she uses it. We don't got time. We're all adults and we don't have time to sit down and do the full routine unless we have a special occasion we are getting dressed up for. So that's it for this month's Boxycharm base box. Let me see what else I had to tell you guys. Oh, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, because my next video is actually going to be my second influencer Vox box. But y'all, guess what brand? Tom Ford. Yes, your girl is getting a Tom Ford influencer box. It's supposed to be the quad palette. Honestly, it was supposed to be here today, so I don't know where the hell it is. But I'm very excited to try it out. Tom Ford, I would never pay Tom Ford prices for no eyeshadow palette. Your girl is broke. Okay, no, I'm not broke, but I am cheap. I'm super excited to test it out. Very excited that I got my second influencer box. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, go ahead and go do that, and you guys will see the post that I got on my first influencer box, and it was actually Dove products for curly hair. Y'all, I was surprised because who knew they had shampoo, conditioner, and a deep mask for curls, coils, and I think waves. It should be kinky hair, but you know, I don't think Dove is still learning their natural hair state. Shout out to them for that. Very proud of them for trying. You know, they're moving on with the times. Hopefully, we're not gonna go there though. Let's see. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Go over to Facebook and make sure you guys like or follow my Facebook page. As of this morning, we do have 400 likes. I'm proud of me. I don't know if you're proud of me, but I'm proud of me, and that's all that matters. Okay. This video is short, sweet, and simple. It probably ain't got no edits in this month either. For now, your girl is out. Your favorite Blasian is going to shower and scrub her skin because I feel disgusting. And I'm going to bed. I am going to lay in my bed and just wind down. So until next time, guys, I'm out.